Hey guys, Dr. Dilip here, Internal Medicine Faculty at Cerebellum, and today I'm going to introduce Dr. Vishal Raghav, who scored a fantastic score of 185 in the recent FMG exam. And what's more happy to me is the fact that he worked under us, and Dr. Mehta's as well. So we are incredibly happy and proud. And yes, he was studying in Cerebellum as well. And he used to keep telling like how he loves all of the faculties, and this is a proud moment for all of us. And Dr. Vishal, how do you feel?
First of all, thank you so much, sir. I'm extremely happy and grateful. I can't, no words to express actually. Kind of overwhelmed actually.
When the results came, how did you feel?
Uh, Happy and yeah, I was jumping to be honest. It was kind of weird feeling, yeah. We worked hard and then eventually, we see the result. Yes, pass, and that's more than enough. Yeah.
And yes, your mom used to keep telling to me whenever she comes to meet in the OPD. So she used to keep telling me that how hard you used to prepare
Mhm.
and how much benchmark you keep setting about yourself and how many GTs you keep attending. And anyways, your mother, your father, everyone must be so proud of you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely, they're extremely happy about it.
So what is a go-to study technique? Because I really wanted to know that. So how did you really prepare and what was the technique? And was there any particular strategy that you want to mention that would be helpful for your future aspirants?
Well, sir, I had just 3 months of time, and I was certain that I cannot prepare whole 19 subjects, so I made sure that I need to have short 13 subjects in hand and PYQs of the remaining 6 subjects. Uh, so yeah, that's how it worked, and it really worked for me. Yeah, like for example, like obs and gyn, medicine, surgery, I made sure that, and also PSM, I made sure that I have very, thick concepts with these subject, also patho and physio. So these are all the my backbone, I would say. And then with I don't call it minor subjects, but the PYQs with regards to anesthesia and ophthalm, ENT, and ortho. So I didn't, I didn't put too much pressure on these subjects, whereas I put too much pressure on the main subject so that it was easy for me to, yeah, what do you call it, like sail this journey. Yeah. So I didn't put too
Understand.
much
So, I
pressure.
mean, I keep telling the same thing to all the students as well. So when you go into any competitive level exam or even a qualifying level exam, let it be FMG or NEET PG or whatever. So the four subjects that are absolute must is going to be medicine, surgery, obs, gynae, PSM,
Hmm.
I would say. Again, other subjects are so important. So a candidate cannot ignore any of those subjects. But these four subjects, if you're a master of it, and you're going to definitely crack any exam.
Definitely, sir. Definitely.
Because a candidate who doesn't crack an exam, I'm not talking about people who have cracked it, a candidate who doesn't crack an exam would have been deficient in one of these four subjects.
Certainly.
You ask them. So either they will say they are not good in medicine, they will say they are not good in surgery or OBG or PSM. So because you're going to get truckload of questions from the concepts that you derive from these subjects,
Hmm.
and you're going to like do very well if you're like thorough in these subjects. Not thorough, I say nobody can be thorough in any of the medical sciences, to be honest, but at least the most important aspects and the concepts that you have to grasp.
Definitely, sir. I totally agree with you. Because when I was like with regards to obs and gyne, when I was doing the classes, like it was, I used to make like my target was like to score about 50% in any test. But by eventually I end up getting less than 50. But with the recalls in this exam, I got to know that okay, I got more than 20 to 23 questions out of 31 questions in obs and gyne. That was like I realized that okay, regardless of how much effort we put in the class, but like the concepts for sure will help during the exam. So yeah, that like what like you always say, like keep things simple and like nothing more, nothing less. So that's how I went with that, like just 13 subjects in hand, no more, no more, no less, and the remaining 6 subjects, and it really helped me actually to crack FMG.
Okay, all right. So, what is the feeling when you're entering the exam hall? So, it's a two-part question.
Hmm.
How did you feel when you were entering the exam hall? And
Hmm.
how did you really feel when you came out of the exam hall?
When entering the exam, I was clueless, completely blank. And when I was exiting the exam hall, totally scared, not gonna lie. Like I was clueless, like how I was like totally scared, like how I did the exam. But fortunately, it came really well. But yeah, at that time, uh, to be honest, I was scared. Even the day before
No,
night,
you don't look like a person who's scared, man. And the sense, like when I saw you, you said you were expecting 200 and you got 185 and you are disappointed with that. That's what you said to me.
certainly, but like no, the preparation should be like a little bit higher. But and you know the fact that
And
you
I've never seen a guy who's telling like I'm expecting 250. You said that.
like we should keep the expectations a little higher. Like simple, like we reach the you aim for the treetop. I mean, the stars. We reach the treetop. So yeah, kind of like that. Even the day before the exam, you dialed me. I was scared like anything. Even I was like, like literally blabbering to you.
But that is understandable because it's the previous day of exam. I mean, exam, and anyone is supposed to be tensed.
Genuinely, sir. Like no words to say. Actually, like it
That's
was
quite a journey, man. Quite a journey because I've been seeing you growing.
it was wonderful, sir, to be honest. Like I really enjoyed the process of like from the preparation. Like me personally, when I started, I went with the mindset like I know nothing, so I'm starting from the scratch. So like just listening to what the just learning the lab one, lab twos, that's it. Nothing much, like you get it what I mean. So yeah. So and that
I like the way you said that. The sense, two things. One, you want to keep things simple.
Mhm.
Number one, you don't want to complicate things.
Definitely, sir.
The second thing, your process, the way you process your thoughts itself is very simple.
Thanks to you, sir.
No, no, I've been seeing you growing. I mean, the way when you came first, like how were you and the way you were progressing step by step. So that was one heck of a journey.
Definitely, sir. And credits, like major credit goes to you, sir. You're one of the person who genuinely who shaped my like life as well as the trajectory where I was and now. Like with totally, the major part of the credit is definitely you, sir. You like to be honest, you changed my life trajectory, sir.
Thank you so much, Dr. Vishal. And if you want to say like one thing that was the most memorable in your FMG journey, so what
Mm.
is the most memorable thing that you can share with us?
Memorable journey. Well, I would.
Memorable thing, I mean, not journey really, memorable thing. So one stuff or one thing that you want to share.
Uh,
Most
like
memorable.
memorable thing, I would say that like again the option kind because I was though I know the concept but I couldn't do.
Anyway, I'll convey that to Raina, ma'am.
Yeah. And also uh, I made sure that though I did the PYQs but I eventually ending up making mistakes with the same PYQ at the exam. So that was I cannot forget. Like initially, I was little harsh on me that okay, oh my God, how can I make this like a blunder mistake that too on a PYQ? But yeah.
Yeah. If you want to correct one thing, and if you think like one thing that I could have done differently,
Hmm.
I mean, because I heard you saying that you are worried that you didn't score 200.
Hmm. Uh,
That's too much. I mean, leave it.
uh,
So it's fine. I mean, I'm just joking. I'm just pulling up. It's okay. So, I mean, if what is the one thing that you could have or should have done differently? Maybe you could have got 200.
Maybe I should have focused more on forensics.
Okay, you didn't focus much on forensic
Yeah,
medicine.
and as well as on I would say a little bit of anatomy because I was not focusing much on these subjects. So that I believe those subjects kind of pulled me down.
No, I can say that you're not alone. The person who's sitting in front of you also doesn't read anatomy much.
Sir, you're a legend.
I mean, everyone has their own weakness, so it's fine.
Mm. So
So,
I would say that okay, I should have focused on these uh, like the subjects which I mentioned.
now what is the most challenging? Now I can say that. I mean, not most memorable. What is the most challenging part of your FMG journey?
well, sir, like number one, discipline and dedication. I would say, sir. Like it's hard to sit every single day for like 7, 8 hours
Very practical. I agree. Yeah.
and also with regards to exam, like at the exam hall. I can say that we can the questions are kind of easy. Like we can easily diagnose what condition it is, but the options are a little tricky and a little complicated, I would say. So that's where I felt I should have like prepared a little bit in a different way so that I could have easily tackled those questions.
Okay, I mean, what's impressive from your interview is the fact that you were very practical. I mean, I said like you're very simple, you keep it simple, you're very practical, and I can see that. And yes, that's true. So most importantly, I keep saying the same thing to the students. In exams, it's not about choosing the correct answer, it's about choosing the best answer.
Mhm.
It's always like that. So, I mean, you might be knowing a lot of stuff. It's fine. It's absolutely okay. You might be knowing certain TOCs, IOCs, everything. But in the exam hall, you have to have that sanity to choose the best answer. So there might be two conflicting options, but it is about your clarity of the subject that you have studied that will help you answer the best, not the right one. That's always important.
Certainly,
That
sir.
is where you have to keep things simple. That's where your mindset plays a big role. That's why your knowledge about the previous grant test, the previous questions that you have done comes into play inside the exam hall.
Definitely, sir. Definitely. And also, sir, I want to mention that the in Cerebellum, there's the question bank, the bag 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, yeah.
That really helped me a lot. Like multiple subject questions, first 50 questions, then
Mixed bag, yeah.
that really helped me a lot. And like I felt that that kind of played a very significant role in me scoring above 150, I would say.
Okay, I mean, in a way, like the credit goes to Praveen sir in
Mhm.
that regards. So he keeps working on the Q bank and he keeps pushing us to work on the Q bank as well. So
And also, sir, I
and he
forgot to
keeps
mention.
bringing something new and he keeps innovating things.
Mhm.
He keeps bringing something new. So he started the late night PYQ marathons, the mixed bags, and all these things. I mean, the credit goes to sir.
Those are really helpful. And also regarding the time management, it also like significantly helped me in managing the time. So I was able to have a time of 10 to 15 minutes buffer, like so that like every block I can finish it in like 40 minutes so that I have 10 to 15 minutes in hand to revise the what I marked. So that really helped me in the time management thing. So yeah, that was amazing actually. To me personally, it helped me.
Wonderful, Dr. Vishal, wonderful. And yeah, you said clearly that your target is I9.
Uh,
One.
yes, hopefully I cracked.
So yes, you wanted to target INI 2027. That's what you said to me.
Yes, sir.
Wishing you all the very best for INI 2027.
Thank you so much, sir. Hopefully I do that.
And I wish that there should be a name Dr. Vishal Raghav in the INI CET rank list
Hopefully, sir. Hopefully.
in 2027.
Hopefully, sir. Thank you.
And time for the rapid fire.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Are you
Pleasure.
ready? Are you ready for the rapid fire?
Uh, yeah, sure.
So one word to capture an FMG experience. If you just want to say one word, just one word.
Thrill.
Interesting. So you found it thrilling. So
Yeah.
people say it challenging, people say it difficult, people say it torturing, but
I,
you said it's thrill.
yeah. It's good. It's quite an experience. I enjoyed it.
Okay. So you're a morning person or a night person?
Both depends on the subject and the day.
Depends on the subject and the day.
Yeah.
So you're a coffee person or a tea person?
Neither,
You can
sir.
say neither also. Yeah, that's
Neither,
right.
neither.
You're neither a coffee person nor a tea person.
Mhm.
So one subject that you absolutely love the most studying.
One subject, it's hard to answer. I can answer like
Only
three,
one. Only one.
one.
Only.
Uh, I would say biochemistry and medicine. Like I cannot, it's like two eyes. I can't say this or that. So I can blatantly say that like I would say three.
Okay, you can say three maybe. I can live
So
with
like
that.
one is option guide and biochemistry, medicine. So these three subjects, I cannot show partiality between these subjects. So yeah.
So we can put it in one. Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
So one subject that you wished that you were studied more. You said forensic, I guess, if I'm
Yes,
not
sir.
wrong.
Like the way I prepared should be a little bit different than how I did, I would say. Not just forensic, but also for the ENT and ophthalm.
Okay, so you're a solo study guy or you had a study buddy with you?
Solo.
Solo study guy.
Mhm.
Great. And what's your dream specialty? I mean, if you wish to take some specialty in INI, I mean, as you wish to, some specialty.
Mostly clinical, sir, like priority to medicine, if
Okay.
not anesthesia.
Oh, medicine or anesthesia.
Mhm.
All right, that's great. So thank you so much, Dr. Vishal.
Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you so much for being with us. And again, once again, I'm saying this, it's a lot of pride that I've seen you growing and I know how you grew. I'm so happy for you. Feeling so happy for you and for your parents as well.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. It's an honor for me to be interviewed by you, sir. Never in my dream I dreamt.
Every single one around you who loves you should have been proud right now.
Thank you
And
so
it's
much.
not an easy exam to crack, trust me. And people have different opinions. I keep saying this, but it's not an easy exam to crack. This has its own challenges. This has its own perils, and you did it, and it's your day. Enjoy your night
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
and have a lovely night. Good night. See
Thank
you.
you so much, sir. Good night, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye.